children, today let's start with chapter number 8, prairies. It's treeless grassland, right? So let's start with the chapter now, the prairies. This is our prairies, you can see over here. It is the grassland where it is situated in the North America, right? It is diaphragm French word meaning meadow or large open area of grassland, right? Location and land की हम बात करते हैं इसकी. So the prairies in North America, it's extend from Canada to Mexico. It is located in the northern hemisphere, roughly between equator and North Pole. Two river Mississippi or Missouri pass through this region. Right? We have different grassland. They are known by different name. If we talk about North America, they are known by the names prairies. South America velds, Australia downs, Asian Europe steppes, and South America pampas. क्लाइमेट की अगर बात करें तो ये दे आर लोकेटेड इन टेम्परेट जोन. विंटर्स कोल्ड होती है, समर हॉट होती है. मॉडरेट रेनफॉल अकर इन समर और यहाँ पे ओकेजनल रेनफॉल भी होती है. राइट. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट वेजिटेशन, so the climate and the soil of the prairies are suitable for growing or growth of grasses. Very few trees grow on the prairies, right? In the spring season, grasses grow, and in autumn season, they shed their leaves. Now, wildlife, if we talk about animals found in prairies, they have adapted themselves to the climate. Badger, fox, prairie dog. ये कुछ एनिमल्स हमें जो देखने को मिलते हैं. और बर्ड्स में आपकी गोल्डन ईगल, हॉक, फैल्कन और क्वेल आर सी. These are the different animals that we see over here. Now we have natural resources, petroleum, natural gas, and lignite coals. They are mined in large quantities. In recent year, oil refineries has been developed in these areas, and the prairies are also known for wind power. The region contribute to wind power in the United States of America. Then people at occupation. Before coming of the Europeans, most of the interior of the North America was grazing ground for the American descent. टुडे ये लार्जेस्ट फार्मिंग रीजन है आपका वर्ल्ड का. वीट क्या है, मेन क्रॉप है. फार्मर प्रोड्यूस इनफ वीट फॉर द होल कंट्री, एंड दैट इज वाई जो प्रेरीज है दे आर कॉल्ड वीट बास्केट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. द फार्म वर्क इज डन यूजिंग मॉडर्न मेथड. सोइंग, हार्वेस्टिंग, थ्रेसिंग आर डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन. The storing of grains in the silos is also done by machine. Only few workers need to cultivate large areas of thousands of hectares. If we talk about main crops in the eastern corn maize, like we have the open land towards the west is hilly and soil is coarse and less fertile. Animals are reared on large open area, इसको हम ranches कहते हैं. लोग अपने ही रेंचर्स को ऑपरेट करते हैं. जो ऑपरेट करते हैं उनको क्या कहता है, रेंचर्स. एंड रेंचर्स दे लिव इन लार्ज फार्म हाउसेस कॉल्ड होमस्टेड्स. पीपल एम्प्लॉयड बाय द रेंचर्स, दे आर नोन एज काउ हर्ड, रेंच हर्ड और काउ बॉय. कैटल्स आर रियर्ड मेनली फॉर बीफ एंड मिल्क, मिल्क्ड बाय मशीन. अ लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ टोटल बीफ जो है वो प्रोड्यूस होता है इन कंज्यूम इन लोकेलिटी. द इम्पॉर्टेंट इंडस्ट्रीज जो है वो आपकी पैकेजिंग फैक्ट्रीज हैं, मीट पैकेजिंग फैक्ट्रीज हैं, फ्लोर मिल्स की. Many minerals are found in prairies. Underground mining is also done to bring out mineral deposit of lignite coal, mineralite. Ore crushing factories and oil refineries have been developed over here. Right? This is all about the prairies. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.